breaking news coming in. As far as sources are concerned, Prime Minister Modi to hoist the flag at the Ram Temple gathering of senior BJP leaders in Ayodhya on 25th of November. This is going to be a grand event that will be held in Ayodhya, similar to the Pran Pratishtha. BJP's campaign will begin after the flag hoisting at the Ram Temple. The world's largest scout guide, Jamure, more than 35,000 cadets will participate. We will also, many people will be invited, and they have been informed about the historic success of the developed Uttar Pradesh campaign. More than 5 million suggestions have been received. There is also plan to inspect the Jivar airport. Prime Minister Modi to hoist the flag at the Ram Temple, and that is the news coming in from sources. BJP leaders are going to be present at the event in Ayodhya. And those are the latest details coming in on the broadcast, viewers. At this point in time, I've been joined by political editor, Public TV, Aishwarya Kapoor. Aishwarya, it is coming in as a big development from the sources, as BJP leaders are going to be in Ayodhya on November 25 as Prime Minister prepares to hoist the flag at the Ram Temple.
Well, absolutely. At this point of time, that's the latest information coming in. That is going to be the Prime Minister himself, and UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is going to basically invite the Prime Minister for the 25th November program. It is the religious flag hoisting on the top of the Ayodhya Ram Temple, and that is said to be an equally important religious function as it was of the Sthapana of the Ram Lala at Ram Temple. Hence, we are being told it is not only about the presence of the Prime Minister, but more or less half of the Prime Minister's cabinet will be there on the 25th of November in Ayodhya. And for that, you will see the UP Chief Yogi Adityanath coming here in the national capital and then inviting. It's a very, very significant religious program as far as the religious flag hoisting on top of the Ayodhya Ram Temple is concerned. Back to you.
Thank you for giving us those details, Aishwarya. Viewers, we slip into a short commercial break.